Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the distinct statement in SQL. So in this example, we are going to query this Person.Address table in AdventureWorks database. Again, this is a sample database provided by Microsoft and it's free for you to use. I do have a tutorial on how to download this sample database and I'll provide the link in the description below so you can check it out as well. So in this example, I'm just going to query this table Person.Address in AdventureWorks database. So I'll open a new window. So I'm just going to query this table Person.Address. So we can just do a simple select all from Person.Address to see what's inside this table. I'm going to hit execute. And we have 19,614 records in this table. So let's say if you want to look at a column and if you want to see what are all the unique or different values in that column, you can use the distinct syntax or the distinct statement. So as you can see, we have a lot of different cities. So let's say if you want to see what are all the unique or the different or the distinct cities in this Person.Address table, you can use the distinct statement to do that. So let's say if you want to see what are all the different or the unique or distinct values for city in this table, you can use the distinct statement. So here's the syntax for the distinct statement. You'll do distinct and then I'm just going to provide the column that I want to check. So I'm going to do city and I'm going to hit execute. 575 rows, that means we have 575 unique or distinct or different cities in this Person.Address table. So if you check the list here, no city is gonna occur twice because we have selected just the distinct values or the different values. And you can do the same thing with multiple columns here. So you can select the city and you can also select state province ID. So let's say if you want to see like the distinct combination for these two columns, you can just provide the columns here and do a distinct on it. So now we have 613 records. So again, it's very helpful if you want to check like unique values in a table. For example, you could have like zip codes, cities, countries, and you just want to check like all the unique values in that table. You can do that by using the distinct statement. Again, here's the syntax for the distinct statement. So it is select distinct column names from your table name. And again, you can provide one column or a combination of columns. Let me know if you guys have any questions and thank you for watching.